What's up? Today I'm going to be making some slime. So I will be using
some glue, some shaving gel. You can also use shaving cream, but they're basically the same thing. Thing to mix with, thing to mix in.
Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is you're going to take your glue and then you're going to put it in the container. Okay. So the amount of glue you put in is the amount of slime you're going to make. Okay. So next, I am going to put in my activator. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to
put in the activator.
Put in the borax or whatever activator. But if you're using borax, you have to dissolve it and put it in the container with warm water. Doesn't have to be a container. And then we're gonna wait 5 minutes for it to dissolve.
A little bit messy over here, but it's okay. So the last thing we did was we just took our borax and we just added it into warm water. And so we left it here for about 5 minutes to dissolve, and we stirred it a little bit. So next thing we're gonna do is take some shaving cream, put it in the bowl. So I'm going to add a little bit more. Only a little. There we go.
That's enough.
Yeah, this is enough. So, because we're making a very small batch, that's why we're not adding like a lot. You can totally double the recipe and all. And you can, at this point, if you want food dye, it's a good. This is the point where you add food dye if it is. But because ours is already colored and it's kind of a baby blue. So now we're just gonna add our activator that we let it set for about 5 minutes, a little bit at a time, where it's gonna become putty and not the good type of putty. It's when you see it coming into a ball and none of it sticking on the sides, you can start to knead it with your hands. Now it's time to knead it with your hands. This is how the slime turned out to be. It's a really good slime, but my only concern is it's not that stretchy, but it's actually our fault because we just over-activated it, really. This is all our ingredients in total. So what we used is borax, some glue, some shaving gel, some warm water, something to mix with, and something to mix in. So that's our video. Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe and comment down below of what you think about the slime that we made. Bye.